Solar oven, harnessing the power of the sun. Objective: to understand how solar energy can be captured and used for cooking by building a simple solar oven. Materials needed: pizza box, or any cardboard box with a lid, aluminum foil, plastic wrap or a transparent plastic sheet, black construction paper, tape and scissors, a ruler, a stick or straw to prop open the lid, s'mores ingredients, marshmallows, chocolate, graham crackers. Procedure: 1. Cut a flap. In the lid of the pizza box, cut a 3-sided flap, leaving about an inch border. Gently fold it up. 2. Wrap with foil. Cover the inside of the flap with aluminum foil. This reflects sunlight into the box. 3. Seal with plastic. Tape clear plastic wrap over the opening you made, sealing it tightly. This creates a heat-trapping window. 4. Line with black paper. Line the bottom of the box with black construction paper to absorb heat. 5. Assemble the s'mores. Place graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows inside the oven. 6. Position the oven. Close the lid with plastic window and use the foil flap to reflect sunlight into the box. Use a stick or straw to keep the flap angled toward the sun. 7. Observe. Leave the oven in direct sunlight for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Record how long it takes the marshmallow to melt. Results: the inside of the box gets hot enough to melt chocolate and marshmallows by trapping and focusing solar energy. Conclusion: this project demonstrates the greenhouse effect and how solar energy can be captured and used in eco-friendly ways. Dark colors absorb heat, clear layers trap it, and shiny materials reflect and focus sunlight. Extensions: measure the temperature inside the box using a thermometer. Compare cooking times at different times of day. Try cooking different small snacks like nachos or mini pizzas.